Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a Monday night. I needed to get this done. Gorgeous. Oh, love it. Little chalkboard I just made for my kitchen wall, which I've needed for ages. £1. Hello, let's go. For this DIY, it is the simplest make ever. You will just need two things. You'll need your spray paint or your chalkboard paint if you've got it in a liquid form that you brush, and your frame. That's it, two things. Oh my gosh, so excited. So I got this one from Poundland, and yeah, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and take it out of its wrapper. So it is actually glass in here. You want to take the glass out, take the paper out, and you want to put the board back in. But before we do that, we have to spray the board. So you need to go outside with your spray paint, spray the board. I'm going to give it 3 coats because I just think it's going to last longer and give it that sturdiness that I need. Yeah, 3 coats, and let's come back. That is it, 3 coats done. Oh my gosh, this is such a simple one. So you're going to put it back in the frame and put all the clips down, and that is your chalkboard done. I've taken the back off so you can put it on the wall. There's only one more thing to do.